Hey, Super Kids! Ready to discover a coding superpower? Python is a fun and easy coding language. It's like giving your computer magical instructions. You type a command, and the computer says, "Okay, let's do it!" Because it's simple, exciting, and helps you create your own games, apps, animations, and even robots.
Python was created in 1991. It was by Guido van Rossum. And guess what? It's named after a funny TV show, not the snake.
Python is everywhere. In games, websites, robots, artificial intelligence, and even space missions.
Kids, students, teachers, scientists, game developers, and big tech companies all use Python every day.
So, are you ready to become a coding superhero? Tell us in the comments, what would you build with Python? A robot or something even cooler? Let's start coding!